জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Have you become so desperate, Deepu, that you are pleading with me for the address? I know that I have committed many mistakes in my life, but believe me, Deepu, I can't do this. It's impossible. Being a woman harming another woman? No, Deepu, I can't do this. Deepu, I can't do this.
Mom, believe me, you are not harming her.
Of course I am, Deepu, and not only Nayan, but I'm also harming you. Because I know that Jasmine is the kind of girl who can destroy both of your lives. Plead with you, Deepu. Forget Jasmine. Please forget her. Don't forget that you have a wife and a family. I agree that Jasmine is attractive. She has a unique kind of attraction, but okay, I agree that Nayan has become blind, but did she become blind out of choice? Is she being a burden to you by choice? It was an accident, Deepu. The girl who did so much for you, did she become a burden for you today all of a sudden? Nayan has left. Anyway, I have cried enough and pretended enough. Whatever Nayan has heard is enough to upset her.
Where are you going, Nayan? Wait.
Mom, why aren't you listening to me? Why are you saying that Nayan is a burden? No. I must not shout. What if Nayan is close by or she gets to hear our conversation? I don't want her to hear the word burden from my mouth. No. Mom, why are you continuously saying that Nayan is a burden in my life? Why do you think of her as a burden? Why are you saying that constantly?
I didn't mean it that way, Deepu. All I'm trying to say is, don't push Nayan away. Don't wrong her in this manner, Deepu.
Mom, I'm not doing anything wrong. I know that you people don't trust me anymore. But Mom, I trust myself completely. Mom, after whatever she has done for me, I won't be able to do anything wrong to her. I must control myself even more, Mom. But how will I explain this to Nayan? Tell me, how do I explain it to her? Actually, this situation has entrapped me completely. I just don't understand what I should do.
Don't break down, Deepu. Don't break down like this. One should keep calm during difficult times. Calm down now. Calm down. The time for breaking down has just started, Deepu. I have begun such a game which will crush you and Nayan and will destroy the relationship between the two of you.
Wait. You heard everything yourself. Won't you confront Deepu? Won't you face him? Won't you ask him why he is being so crazy about Chowmi? Come with me. I will see the end to it today.
Rangana, where are you? Hold the tray. Please, can you give this food to Tripto sir? I am feeling too weak to stand. I am feeling very tired. I need to lie down. I need to rest.
How can I stop Nayan? I can very well imagine what she's going through after hearing all that. But what is Tripto doing? Is he really so crazy about Jasmine? I can't believe this. Tripto, your food.
I'm not hungry.
What has happened to Tripto? He did not even eat his food. Is he upset because he didn't get Jasmine's address? Haven't you granted any happiness to my friend? Oh Lord.
Oh, Rangana, you are here. I was looking for you.
Me?
Yes. Look, you are a close friend of Nayan. Please reason with Nayan so that she strengthens her heart. What I have gathered from Deepu's behavior is that he might just end up bringing Jasmine to this house.
Nayan, it's not what you are thinking. There's nothing between Jasmine and me.
I believe whatever you say, Triptosa. Even today, I heard it from your own mouth. I heard myself how much you want Jasmine. I heard it. So what should I believe today, Triptosa? Should I believe you and stop thinking negatively, or should I believe what I heard today? Nayan? Who? Who is that? Who is calling out my name? Nayan? Who are you? Who is calling out my name? Who is calling me? Nayan? Here I am. Why do you bother whether Sir has weakness for Jasmine or not, Nayan? Didn't you decide to let go of Sir? Weren't you looking for an excuse to let go of him? Then why are you crying, Nayan? There is no reason to cry. Oh, I see. So that letting go thing is just an eyewash. To make a fake show of your greatness. You just want sympathy from Rangana. But your heart is saying something else. Am I right? No. I really want to free her from this life of mine filled with darkness. Oh, I see. So if Sir loves someone else instead of you, then why should that affect you? But why Jasmine? I had unmasked her in front of him, yet why her? This is nothing new, Nayan. Earlier you unmasked Mother Sanjukta as well. Yet he has forgiven her and accepted her again. Forgiving people is in his nature, Nayan. But I just can't believe that you are crying only for that. What else should I cry for? You know it better, Nayan. Tell me then. Tell me the real reason behind your tears. What happened? Why are you looking away? Why can't you look into my eyes, Nayan? Look into my eyes and speak out the truth, Nayan. Say it now. Actually, you're feeling jealous, aren't you, Nayan? Jealousy does. You are jealous. You don't want to let go of Sir so easily. Actually, you're feeling neglected, and that is breaking your heart. It's making you angry too, isn't it? You're being angry. You are feeling jealous. Jealousy, you know? You're feeling jealous, aren't you, Nayan? You are jealous. You are jealous, aren't you, Nayan? You are feeling jealous. It's jealousy, Nayan. You are jealous. It's jealousy, Nayan. Why? 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 Why can't I feel jealous or be angry? I'm also a human being made of flesh and blood.
I can't bear to see you suffer so much, Nayan. How do I ease your pain? Tell me. What should I do?
No. I have to be strong. I must do what I have decided. I will surely free Sir. Yes. I will set him free from my dark life. I will set him free. I must let go of Sir. I can't fall weak. There is no more question of weakness. I will go away from here once his birthday party gets over tomorrow. I will go away. I will go away from here.
You always beat me at chess. This is not done. Oh.
Why? Why are you doing all this? What are you up to?
What's wrong with you, Jeet? Yes? Aren't you crossing your limit?
Really? Well, the limit has definitely been crossed. But have you ever thought who is doing that? Listen, even if no one else understands this trauma of yours, nothing can escape my eyes.
What drama? What drama have we done? Your brother has committed a grave mistake and we have exposed him to everyone. What is wrong with this?
Oh, really? Then listen, Uncle Vicky. It is not so easy to fool me, okay? If your only intention was to correct Dripto, then let me tell you. You could have spoken to him in private and sorted things out, okay? You wouldn't have defamed Dripto in front of his wife, Nayan.
Jeet is going out of control. I can't lose my temper in front of him. No matter what, I must pretend to be good.
What happened, Mom? Have I said anything wrong? Or did you just become speechless after hearing the truth from me?
You are misunderstanding me, Jeet. Earlier, I have committed many mistakes. I admit that I was wrong earlier. But you are mixing up this incident with my past. The situation is completely different. I'm sure this time I'm not wrong.
You haven't done wrong.
Being a woman, if protesting against the wrong that has happened with another woman is a mistake, then yes, Jeet, I have committed a mistake. You are not trying to understand my pain, Jeet.
You are pretending again. Pain. You're uttering that word repeatedly. I can well understand the pain you're going through. You're enjoying the game of chess over here. How can a person be so mean, Mom? Listen to one thing very clearly. Dripto might be indebted to you because as a child when he lost his mother, then you had pretended to take him under your wings. But other than my birth, I am not indebted to you for anything. I've been seeing your real face from my childhood, Mom. So everything is pretty clear to me. You're the one whom I hate the most in this entire world, Mom. Yes, you, Mom. I just hate you, Mom. And I feel ashamed to address you as my mom. And listen to one more thing. I have promised myself that I will not tolerate the suffering that Nayan is going through. And I will go to any extent to ease her pain. You just wait and watch. Stop me if you can.
Jeet, I will. Let go.
Stop.
Let
Stop,
go of me,
stop.
Vicky. I
Sanjukta.
will not spare him. How
Sanjukta,
dare he?
Sanjukta, have you lost your mind? Be calm,
Yes,
okay?
I've lost my mind. Jeet maligns me all the time regarding everything. Piku avoids me these days if I want to make any plans regarding Nayan. That girl has taken away my sons from me, Vicky. I can see everything. I can understand everything, but I can't do anything. Isn't it enough? Isn't it enough reason for me?
Calm down, darn it. Stop getting entangled in such emotional tension and focus on the real thing. Your focus should be to grab the property. And once you have the property, Jeet and Piku will automatically join your team. So stop thinking about them and focus on what you should be focusing on. Do you understand? I got to know that Tripto was asking you for Jasmine's address. Have you informed her about that?
What? Oh no. I completely forgot about it. Wait, I will call her right away.
Yes, Mrs. Basu. Tell me.
Jasmine, I need to talk to you urgently. Where are you now? I want to meet you.
Well, I can't tell you where I am right now.
What? You can't tell me. You can't tell me.
No, I can't. Because I don't trust any one of you. You might just say something out of mistake and my entire plan will be jeopardized.
Jasmine, we are a team now. You must trust us.
I just can't worry about what is right and what is wrong, Mrs. Basu.
Why can't you understand? I really need to meet you. It's important. Try and understand. Meet me somewhere, please.
Okay. You don't need to plead so much. I will be discharged and go home this evening. You may come and meet me at my home. I have to disconnect now. My plan will completely destroy Nayan and Dripto's life, Mrs. Basu. And someone so powerful should be kept secret, isn't it? I will blast the bomb at the right time.
If you think you should be in a relationship with Jasmine, then you can. I only have myself, sir. Please let me make the habit of walking alone, sir. And you too. You too should make the habit of letting go of me, sir.
I haven't come out of the house with any destination in my mind. But I came down to the Guru's ashram unmindfully. How is this possible? So am I going to get the answers to my questions over there? I must get my answers. Excuse me?
Yes, tell me. Yes, sir, tell me.
Is Guruji present at the ashram?
Yes, he is.
I want to meet him actually.
Come inside.
Okay,
Please,
let's
come.
go, let's go.
Have a seat. Please wait over here. He is performing the ritual. He'll meet you as soon as he finishes the ritual.
Oh Lord, what should I do now? What should I do? How will I explain to Nayan now that in my life that there is no other girl in my life other than her? I'm aware that Nayan is misunderstanding me, but how will I clear her misunderstanding? I have no one else in my heart other than her. How will I make her realize that? I can understand that she's annoyed with me. But how will I pacify her? How do I do that? Nayan, how I wish I could explain how excruciating this
A
pain
fear
is.
storm is blowing within your mind, isn't it, Tripto?